Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the TRX crypto. What's the current price of the Tron, what's the price changes occurring in the TRX. In this video I will show you friends, but before starting this interesting video I request all of you, those people who listen my voice, I request you to please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways my friends, let's move on and let's start the video friends. The current price of the TRX in the market is 0.091722 USD dollar is the currently price of the TRX in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the TRX, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the TRX is negative. Only and only the last 1 day price change is positive friends. So what's going at this time in the TRX? A lot of people are also confused, a lot of people are also worrying about that what's going at this time in the TRX. But don't worry, let me show you friends the more details about TRX on the price chart friends. As you can see here, if you look the price chart of the TRX, so I hope that the TRX is the jumping mode. You can see here now the current situation, the last 1 hour pricing is negative, price is fast down, but that is the temporary phase. After 10 minutes, after 5 minutes they will again take a jump friends. As you can see here now, this time also fast down occurs in the TRX friends, but after that is the temporary phase, and after this phase they again start moving upward. So same like that now this time. Let me show you friends, let me draw the price chart of the TRX. Now at this time fast down, and after this fast they gradually start moving upward, and now again fast down, and after this fast they again start gradually moving upward friends. So that is my prediction about the TRX friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes occurs in the TRX and the last 1 day is 14.2 USD dollar, sorry, percent, and the highest price is 0.094245 USD dollar. Absolutely not a great fast occur in the price, but the fast down for a later time you can see here this time, and that is why the pricing is going negative friends. But don't worry, very soon they will again take a jump in the future. It's time to hold. If you hold, so you will get a profit in the future, and if you sell, so absolutely you will not get a profit in the future friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about TRX? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.